be surprised. It is a normal conversation. You must be assertive. This is your chance in life to tell the people who you is and tell them about your career and your dreams. This is Jamaica Good Life. Talk to me, Kevin.
Yeah, I'm going to say my name is Kevin Barnaby. 22 years old as stated. I am an electrician. Started this out about 5-6 years ago. It's very slow stepping, but I'm getting there. Started the trade at school. There's where I got most of my experience. So,
what school was this?
St. Andrew Technical.
St. Andrew Technical. So you're at Kingston, man.
Yeah, man. Kingston.
Where in Kingston?
That's what I was saying,
So 22 years growing up there, what was that like?
When I come from a rich background, so certain things you have to work for that. Parents provide as much as they can. So I have to go out there and try, make something of myself. So that's the quest for the plan right now.
Yeah.
Same way.
But you talk like a big man, but you're 22. Yeah. What you look like? Say you grew up quick.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You have to put your hands to the wheel, man, and just do what you have to do. Sometimes it look rough, but everybody face that. Everybody face look like. So
you did have to grow up fast, cause you sound like you're.
Yeah, man. Father, introduced me to the technical world of things from early, so different from electrical work. Where I can help myself in many different fields. Can do look like every little thing. But this is my main trade where I take pride in it. I do every day.
And you're certified.
Certified.
You have your job.
Yes, sir.
But if people want to hire you and your brethren,
yeah, man, feel free. We always welcome that.
Give them the phone number.
335-0035.
So this is Kevin, last name?
Kevar, Kevar.
Kevar Barnaby.
Yeah, man.
You're representing the Barnaby family.
Yes.
Is the Barnaby family big?
Yeah, man. It's decent size family.
So you have nephews, cousins,
and lot of brothers and sisters.
Yell up somebody, no?
My brother, my sister, them. We heal up everybody. Father, mother, everybody may heal up. When I sing down nobody. Yeah?
Alright, love.
Yeah. Uncle, everybody, yeah.
So what keeps you going in the morning when you get up, or how you push out? How do you protect yourself? What kind of prayer you say?
I'm a church man, I go to church and things, but I must say sometimes, things can be very distracting and, make you lose focus sometimes. You just have to cope,
Yeah.
Don't make things get you down, try to have a hopeful spirit every time, do good, good will follow you. So.
What month you born?
June,
so you're hopeful, positive.
Yeah, man, try to be positive.
What are the things that make you...
best out of everything.
What are the things that make you tense and stress out? What stress you out?
What stress me out?
When people don't pay them bills?
That is a situation I think nobody want to face, sometimes you do some work and after you've done it, you see, as a person who take pride in them things, you push out 100% all the time, 120% sometimes, And if you look and see the reward you get in return, sometimes it make you feel that way, yes. But that not stop me from go out and do it for the same way. Yeah, man, we just try to keep the energy right, same way.
So 22, you're looking for a bright future.
Yes, man.
In 600 meters, turn right on
Just I hope for the best,
So
At the same time, we prepare ourselves for,
So future for you is a house up in the hills. What is your vision? Talk about.
Even if it's up in the hills, we just want to set myself right. In a position I can help others. They get me, because one thing say, people supposed to do that more. I think the world lack of that. If we can help a man, you just do it, you know, you do it because you know, you can't get a hyper fight and say, I help the man there.
Yeah.
Out of goodwill, you know, do it because you would want that for yourself. You know? So, which is not my problem, you know. You just want to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Want to live a comfortable life.
So,
for me and my kids in the future.
Family in the future. So a 22-year-old, you represent in Jamaica a good life because you're a 22-year-old that's working, never went to a life of crime.
No.
Would never consider it because of your parents, or what keeps you on that positive track?
Alright, you know, I think parenting have a lot to do with it, you know. Learn for work for what you want. You know?
So as a young youth, what would you want the government to do more for the other young youths, your peers?
My peers. Alright. Well, that's can't talk based on the government, you know, but I know what me would I like to do, you know. As I said, I like to help people, so you know, eventually, you know, in the future, if that's where the thing take off, I like to can, you know, recruit some younger youths, you know, give them a strength. So, you know, I really look to others for that strength there. I'm trying to find it within myself, you know.
So at age 22, you can teach some youth some electronics.
Yes, man.
Do you teach little youth them little thing and thing in the city?
My first way, you know, where I come from probably a 0%, probably I'm there about 80% of what me know now.
Eh?
So me can feel comfortable for know say, you know, I could have shared that with somebody else.
Yes, sir.
I don't know everything in about it.
Yeah.
You know, I know enough to angle myself well.
So tell them about your teaching, because you're level 3 certified.
Yes, man.
Talk about that.
Archers. Well, when I talk about technical work, as in trades straight through masonry, carpentry, electrical, you know, art is the place. You know? Get the hands-on feeling of the thing. And when I forget my school, I'm going to tell you a while ago, you know, St. Andrew Technical, and they said start off first, and we learn most of what we know. You know? So I just, the real certification in that, you know, cap off at art. I look towards, you know, more schooling, but how the funds come in, sometimes it kind of rough to manage, but I do my best. I do my best, you know, I try to, you know, look the best way out at any.
If somebody wanted to support your business or just support you to venture out and to grow, what would you need support in?
Support in I'm a person who really believe in our tools.
Tools?
Invest in our tools, yeah. Instead of buying clothes and those stuff, I just save my money and buy tools.
Tools? Louder. So tools. So what kind of tools do you need?
Alright, so in this trade, you know, drills, saws, you know, demolition hammers, and you know.
Good.
Whatever.
Some of fans them just can call you when them ship a barrel, just ship whatever tools for you and you can pick it up.
Yes, man, I love that, man. As I said, tools are my thing.
Are there any special electrical tools were very expensive in Jamaica that if you had, you would get more jobs? Any special one tool? If you could say a tool that
the most expensive tool that I know, you know,
that you might need.
That I might need in Jamaica now is a ilty. Some person call it ilty, but it is a jackhammer, demolition hammer. You know, a lot of brands, you know, ilty is just one of the brands that make it.
Okay.
You know, so one of those would be the most expensive.
So a jackhammer.
Yeah, man.
So
you have a lot of cheap ones, you know. You have a lot of cheap ones, but those don't last very long, you know. So I would save and buy a decent size one that good, you know. Like
it costs about $1,000 US.
Yes, man, good ones cost that.
And you could rent it out and make money from it.
Yes, and that's one of the things I would like to do as well, you know, buy tools.
And rent them.
You know, because tools get the job done. You know?
So if you rent your tool and a man take your tool, how you gonna get it back?
How I get it back? Well, we'd have to put things in place so that don't happen. And if it happen, well, I just pass a part of business.
Yes, sir.
It's a business venture, so you have to prepare for lose some and gain. I just, you know.
Yes, sir.
That's my main problem is as a person, you know, risk taking.
Yes, you have.
I'm good at that, you know. So I try to work on that same way.
Okay.
You know.
To manage the risk for the rewards.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So you need tools.
Yeah, man, tools, you know.
Okay, so you'd get the tools and you'll rent it out, another side business.
Yes, sir.
And you'll also be able to probably open up a workshop and help the local youth them in the inner city, in your community.
Yeah.
Wow. Soda gun and all them things there. Oh no, you know you.
Yeah, man, we use soda gun, that part of electronics.
Give me a list, man. The people that want a list, but I'm gonna call. Give them number again.
Alright, so
Give them
335
335
0035.
Alright, 335 00 35.
35, yeah.
And that is 876.
876.
Say it again.
876 335 0035.
Alright, people. So we're going to Dunn's Electronics right now. And this is the place the man get all them stuff them. So
Your destination is on the left.
right now we're going to continue this interview, but this is a 22-year-old Jamaica and Jamaicans all over abroad, and the big man them see another one here, or the can't say, take care of him. You see me? Him need tools, him need support, give him a call, alright? It's Dunn's. And I forgot pay me money for do this, you know, Dunn's Electronics. This place in Kingston called Dunn's Electronics. They have some amazing lights and stuff. The things they have in Jamaica, just amazing. So big up to Dunn's Electronics. See there, Kevoy. This is the electrician, him and him team. If you're in Kingston, anywhere in Jamaica, they'll come to you. These are the guys to trust, certified. So this is Dunn's Electrical. This is where we're buying our lights. They have so many stuff in this store. So even if you live in the country, come to Dunn's Electrical. They have a whole heap of things. You Google it, DUNNS. A lot of things they have for your home. So this is Jamaica Good Life. Look on all this. Beautiful. You know something I promote to now? I'm not going to free promotion. Tell them about the store.
This store, it's a very lovely store, great store.
You work
if you want
here?
the lights, you come right here. Yeah, and it's cheap too. Not even cheap, inexpensive.
Them treat you good as an employee?
Do they treat me good? Yeah, of course.
A years you work as a?
Not years, just 2.
Why do you like working here?
Why do I like working here? Well, the environment is very peaceful, and the persons are, you know, the camaraderie is very lovely.
Wow, the power people.
The power people,
Dunn's Electrical and Hardware.
the power people.
Do you sell double black tape, like stick double black tape?
2-sided tape.
Yeah, black.
I'll be downstairs at the hardware department. So we have a hardware department, a furniture department, and a lighting department. If you want to play football, it's on 4th floor.
Them have football?
Football field. Yes, sir.
On the 4th floor?
4th floor.
Really?
Football field, bar, gym.
Can I go see it?
Of course.
Let's go take a look.
Of course.
This is Jamaica Good Life. So the people that have a good life also. At Dunn's Electrical and Hardware. This is an amazing place. You're one of the biggest in the Caribbean.
Yes, sir.
And you don't know what year they started. Years ago.
Yes, sir. I'm from OCS.
OCS.
Yes, sir.
We're Jamaica Good Life on YouTube. So we try to spotlight the good.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man. Let's leave you.
Yeah.
As you can see, I have a lot of things. Chandeliers and all that.
Yeah, fish.
Bathroom section over here.
Uh-huh.
I love this over there. It's Cathy.
Kathy, how you doing? Oh, guys, look at these. Yes, brother.
Yeah, man.
So these are your face basins for your
Face
bathroom.
basins, so I have all different kind of face basins.
Oh, brother.
It's all different kind of faces for all different kind of faces. You know?
Wow, you guys now play all the steel pan too.
Yeah, man. Wow. This is the bathroom section.
Let's take a look at the pipes.
Yeah.
So on now play with the pipes then. This is the big boy right here.
Yeah.
How much for that one here?
One here. So this one. 11,000.
11,000?
I think so. Not written on the good
Gotta
one.
be more on that one.
Yeah.
And this is the big boy. So Jamaica, there's no need to really worry about.
You can shop here, you don't have to worry about going overseas to shop.
You have your countertops,
And countertops are everything right here.
your jacuzzi. I could
Yeah,
check out
man.
how much the jacuzzi costs. Boss, how much that now?
240.
240,000, so probably around 1,800 US. Not bad. Okay. This is beautiful. Now this right here. This is what you put in the half bathroom. This. And look on this, man. Jamaica, what are you going with?
Jamaica, nice. Amidst the COVID, Jamaica, nice.
This is Jamaica, good life.
Yeah.
Look here. So wait there. China, wanna get them from? Where wanna get these?
They source them from various places.
So what's going on with this toilet? Is it a toilet? Or the one where we wash a certain thing?
Looks like that.
Wow. Well, this is the one I like though.
Yeah.
Do you sell a lot of these?
We sell
That's the one I like. You have a lot of those style?
yeah, I sure think so. 45,000 for that one. As I said, I can show you upstairs.
Let's go see where you guys play soccer every week or?
Every Friday. Every Friday we play.
This is all face based and thing. Hold on them, I have to show the people them ladies. Oh no, I'm playing. You know, so I'm never gonna buy the house and see them things, yeah. All this right here, so. That's all I deal with, brother. I turn me into a home. Yo, look at. Done, so now I'm playing. Want my money for done. Yes, this is the place. So it's quite obvious you guys been doing it for a while.
Right here is print and done. That's a subsection of done as well.
Print and done.
Print and done. So you come in here and get the cups.
Really?
Yes, sir. Come in here and get the cups made.
Any t-shirts?
T-shirts as well.
T-shirts?
Yeah, man.
Like how much is it for a t-shirt print? So a basic t-shirt print, ma'am? Tell me about your business. You're going global now.
Good afternoon. We customize cups, t-shirts, tumblers.
Water bottles.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's the price for like a t-shirt?
A t-shirt, if you're carrying your own shirt, $1,000. If we're providing the shirt, $2,300 for adults up, 18 for kids up.
Good.
Depending on what you want.
So for your party and stuff, you can.
Yes.
All right, people. So this is done, print and done. All right, thank you. I'll tell us so. No. Upstairs, yes, sir. So now we're going up to. So this company is kind of like. This company is kind of like a family company. Yes, sir.
Alright.
So who come here? Customers?
Customers, anybody comes here and play, just pay $500 and play.
$500.
At that side, the bar.
Yeah. But no tennis court yet.
No tennis court as yet. That building is our building as well.
And what are you putting there?
There's a next like harder and stuff. And we're also putting a field up top.
Oh, so this is not just, you guys are turning into a whole entertainment mecca.
Yes, sir.
A shopping experience.
Yes, sir. We'll come up this side now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So when you're playing sports, you're playing football and you finish,
Yeah.
you got to have something to drink, but the bar is kind of out of service now.
Mm-hmm.
But this is the bar here.
So you're overlooking, give me some,
Kingston.
that's the wharf.
Yes, sir. Once you overlooking Kingston, all the way.
So you guys are living the Jamaica good life. So how come we don't know about this place like this abroad?
You have to come in sometimes. You just have to drive. Drive and see what's going on in the place. You know what I'm saying?
Thanks for the tour, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Now I know I can play some soccer. And
Yeah, man.
so shop.
I want to show you one more field.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is owned by a KC man here. If the Calabar man do the interview. Calabar man, the KC man own it, Mr. Dunn.
Okay.
Steve Dunn.
Okay.
Yeah, local man as well.
Help the community.
Yeah, man. He's making Reddish Road look good.
Okay.
Right? I'm going to come to this side. You see where he shows off his, his school prowess.
School heritage. His heritage.
His heritage. So, when you come here, you can see the purple and white field.
Okay.
This is the purple and white field.
So this field is for what purpose now?
Football as well, but it's KC is the school. Purple and white is their thing. So this is the
Okay.
purple and white field.
So if you have a party, you're bridging them
parties up
private
here as well.
and not
Yeah,
play
man.
soccer.
Because fans are kept down there, fans are kept up here as well.
So this is what Kingston is all about, people. Wicked.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica Good Life was here. Your name?
Scott Sackmar, SAK Scott.
Respect.
Yes, sir.
You represent the company very well. So I hope so we can just chill out. How much is it to pay and
$500 Jamaica.
eh?
Yeah.
I'll just chill out.
Yes, sir.
So you hear that, people? You and your family. It's private, so you're good with the because it's private. It's okay with the COVID.
Yeah.
All right. So we learned a lot. Yeah, man. So we're going to need 3 bowls with that. Look at all of this stuff. A good life, you're right now, you know, Kingston, but you know. And I meet some good electrician today in Kingston. So you don't have to worry. Wherever on the family in Jamaica have a problem with the electrician work. See the man them, yeah?
Call him one.
Call them. Them young and them a start them business and them certified level 3 and them nah play no game. So right now Papine, Stony Hill, and now I'm on the airport. Papine. And they them out the place, people, they want to say nothing, you know, they're in Kingston, you know, while some in a country, man, you know. Now I'm finding an electrician, so the family don't have a problem with the house. And I don't use my friends and people them in a Montego Bay. I don't use my virgin them in a Montego Bay. I want to use this team. Give them your number again.
Yeah, 876-335-0035.
Level 3 certified electrician. And them people here are deal with the Jamaica Good Life House right now. So I don't know, so I'm hunt for the good people. The man is 22-year-old and the man come from where again? Olympic Gardens, Waterhouse. Representing Waterhouse with Jamaica Good Life. Waterhouse, I go proud of you. So I say you represent the whole Waterhouse. I go say, yo, Kevon? Kevon, right? Kevar. Kevar for Waterhouse, 22-year-old electrician, certified level 3. Jamaica proud of you, yo. Proud of you. All the big man them, him want tools. When you have him number, when you come to Kingston, him one must be roll with. And him have him bridging, we're going to introduce you to him later. So no say nothing. Kevar, pass the bar. You see me? Man a superstar now, Jamaica Good Life. Endorse Kevar, 22-year-old Jamaican electrician, the youngest electrician of the business, level 3. We're proud of you. all of the ghetto youths them, keep on. Kevar is an example that you can do it. Tell them about your little struggle sometime and talk to them.
Yeah, man, average Jamaican life, it ain't easy. You have to go out the same way, go out there and try to make use of every day, and try to improve yourself. You have a lot of skills, other skills, but you don't really promote that yet, So, next part.
But me, say you do hair conditioner too.
Yeah, man, we do it. We do hair conditioning.
And you do
renovation overall.
Mm-hmm.
Java construction, camera systems, alarms, everything.
Wow.
Yeah, man. But electrical work and electrician, that's my title right now. That me push out there.
Wow. Yeah. We wish you all the best, man, because we are double your age. Yeah. Imagine that. And we are hand the button to you, say, yo, don't give up, stay safe. Yeah. We are about safety and success.
Yeah, man.
So the whole people of the world, this man is a level 3 electrician. So, when you have him number, give them the number again.
Yeah. 876-335-0035.
Yes, and this is
Barnaby.
Kevar Barnaby, Waterhouse, representing Jamaica. Good life. No crime, never been to jail.
Never been arrested, none of that.
You don't even smoke?
Not even smoke.
No big drinking?
No. I drink once every 2 months or 3 months. Or probably 2, no more.
so when you hear them say Jamaica crime, what do you think? The good youth like you need support out there?
Yeah, man. I'm sure a lot more out there too.
Mm-hmm.
Know a few more too.
Hey Paul, I have a brother named Paul Escobar. I'm going to send him the video because a man like that you say you want some tools.
Yeah, man. But I have to say it now, but we still want that strength really, so it's fully equipped. Yeah, but if the job arises, we get the tools to get it done.
Yeah.
But the more tools, the better.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So when the people them come through Jamaica, for link you.
Yeah, man, link me up, man.
You're in Kingston, so
So, anywhere I call from,
and do the work.
Yeah, man, early.
And you have other young individuals like yourself you could recommend that are professionals, right? What other young individuals you know that you would recommend for any other kind of work? Let's say, you're bridging them a graduate school with you, trade school. What are some of the kind of other works bridging will do?
A lot of them, some of them do, like the work I'm doing, some of them venture off.
You have plumbing? You have plumber bridging?
Yeah, plumber bridging.
We're young?
No, man. That one then young, but he's a very, very good plumber.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very good plumber, Depend, more than one job. See him work, you're pleased with him work. I recommend him any day.
Okay, got it.
Want a plumber, hook you up on the number. No mason. Brother is a good mason. No carpenters.
So we know that you know a good plumber. Don't recommend them to everybody, Send them back to me. Because me have the good Tyler. Me select. Me are the selector. Me select you.
Yeah, you are the selector.
Me are the selector.
You will know him first before you bring him to your...
Yeah, me have to see him work.
You have to pass him first.
Yeah, because that's spiritual energy too,
Yes, I just the connection,
Yeah, the energy have to be right.
Yeah, you can't fake that,
No. No, you can't learn energy.
Yeah.
You can't learn energy in a school.
Yeah.
The people that really recommend them have a certain energy.
Yeah.
And that is what me try pick up. And when me meet people like you, Mr. Say, the humility is there and you're ready for work. So Pablo Escobar, and then the man is an electrician. So for the world, with Jamaica right now, and I want to tell about Jamaica in a corona right now. Jamaica is not what you see on YouTube. The young youth them are go out and a push out. only some youth nah push out. Right? Why some of the youth them more time them just why you think them just
Right? Sometimes I believe I just the type of environment. Most I don't think it is them is the environment because of the same the environment like that me grew up in. It just they brought up. They have been brought up, you know, and the person to associate themselves with. You know.
Watch ya, a race them about for take. You see the whole of the Jamaica and them biker them line up now, you know.
Yeah.
And you see when the lights they go. Yeah, we are a peer bikers them line up, you know. And look for them, the old man I say, yeah, we are young boy watching himself, you know. And him run the red light and police the red. You see them? The whole of them want to move off like them a big dog. That's what Jamaicans do, man. Very competitive.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Knutsford Boulevard.
Bikers, them around the place. So I'm hanging with Jamaicans. Them speed so much in Jamaica. Like them really don't have no for going on. You know, stop market now and closing up, brother.
I don't know.
Stop market now and close and them are going. So them drive so fast and you know like, when you drive fast you save gas.
Turn right onto Knutsford Boulevard. Then your destination will be on the right.
Seems like something there we don't know about.
Well, I mean, I tell you man about Kevar, just hold the faith, yeah?
Thanks for the exposure.
Give thanks, man. Just give them your number again.
Yeah, man. 876-335-0035.
Electrician in Kingston. Him come anywhere. Just make sure to pay him good.
Yes, man.
And him virgin later.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your destination is on the